In the tech industry, storytelling is a vital skill that can elevate your job applications and interviews. It helps you present your experiences in a compelling way, making your profile stand out to potential employers. Start by identifying a narrative that showcases your journey, how you transitioned into tech, the challenges you faced, and the victories you've achieved. Your story should demonstrate not only your technical skills, but also your problem-solving abilities and resilience. When crafting your resume or cover letter, weave in anecdotes that highlight your contributions to projects or teams. Use specific examples to illustrate your impact, such as how you optimized a system, enhanced user experience, or contributed to a successful launch. This approach not only humanizes your application, but also allows hiring managers to see your unique perspective. During interviews, be prepared to expand on these stories. Practice delivering them with confidence and clarity, ensuring they align with the job requirements. Remember, storytelling is not just about sharing experiences. It's about connecting with your audience and leaving a lasting impression. Call 678-627-2796 or go to ltvacademy.com for more information.